Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at what to expect here in the week and a half, the next week and a half here in the ArkLaTex, as we are looking at upper level high pressure, which has heated us up over the past couple of days. You can see this upper level ridge now centered over the southern Rockies. It does extend back over into the ArkLaTex. That's one reason why it was so hot yesterday, and why we will continue to be hot here during the course of the next couple of days. Take you through tonight, tomorrow. I'll talk about temperatures. First of all, we are looking at a warm and muggy night tonight with a clear to partly cloudy sky. Temperatures will range from the low 70s north to the middle 70s for nighttime lows further to the south. And daytime highs tomorrow, once again at most locations, will return to the middle 90s. Likely we'll see heat index values approach 105 in a few spots once again tomorrow, with a high humidity continuing across the region. Not really too much as far as rainfall in the forecast for the next several days. A look at Robin's Toyota FUTURECAST showing you that tonight we will see the clear to partly cloudy sky. Tomorrow I expect to see that mix of clouds and sunshine. Notice nothing significant as far as rain in our area. Tomorrow night, once again, we'll see that clear to partly cloudy sky, and then that mix of sunshine and clouds will return for your Wednesday. In fact, it's probable that we will stay dry at least until the weekend. One thing that could change that is a disturbance. We mentioned it pretty much all last week as a possibility. You can see the latest outlook from the National Hurricane Center for the next 5 days now shows a high chance of tropical development, either a tropical depression or a tropical storm forming in the Gulf of Mexico. Global models indicating that this system will move towards the north, and we could be looking at possible landfall along the upper Texas coast through the coast of Louisiana. It does appear there is good agreement in those models that we'll see a turn towards the east or northeast that will greatly limit the amount of rainfall that we could experience from this system. I'll take you through the week ahead here as far as the overall pattern, and you can see the effects of the upper level ridge as we move forward. You can see that disturbance, which is going to be approaching from the south. Again, approaching the Louisiana coast very late this week, probably late Friday night this weekend. We'll see heavier rains move into the eastern half of Louisiana, but it looks like that heavy rain, again, will be sent to the east. And then we'll see a chance, with the ridge broken down quite a bit, that chance for the scattered afternoon thunderstorm will return to the forecast starting this weekend and continuing through much of next week. Not all-day rain, just the typical pop-up afternoon summertime type thunderstorms, what we will be looking at. As far as rainfall for the next 10 days, this is what one model is depicting, and again, this very well could change if that tropical system were to take a more westerly course into Texas. Obviously, we would be looking at heavier totals, but you can see most of the ArkLaTex here amounts less than an inch. It really depends on how far west that system tracks. It is possible we could see some locations over the southeast and eastern sections of the area that could see more than an inch, basically through the next 10 days. But again, the rain is looking somewhat scattered for our area during that time frame as our summertime pattern continues. Here's a look at the details in your 10-day forecast. Beginning with tomorrow, we will see, and Wednesday, highs staying in the mid-90s across the region, lows in the mid-70s. Notice that slight chance for the hit-or-miss afternoon thunderstorm for Father's Day weekend. Again, the rain chance will increase just a little bit with the scattered afternoon thunderstorm remaining in the forecast through most of next week. Highs will ease eventually down close to 90. Lows will pretty much stay, for the most part, across the area in the low to middle 70s. So it looks like the heat and humidity and relatively dry weather here to stay for the next week and a half.